काफी हैवी हो गया है पॉडकास्ट एंड काफी लंबा भी, ऑलमोस्ट 2.5 घंटे की रिकॉर्डिंग तो है, उतना तो मैं श्योर हूँ कि इसमें 2.5 आवर्स की फुटेज पक्का है. सो एंडिंग द पॉडकास्ट विथ अ वेरी ट्रेडिशनल, जो कि आप अभी हर पॉडकास्ट का एक ट्रेडिशनल आउटरो हो चुका है कि यू हैव बीन थ्रू दिस होल कॉन्वर्सेशन. इनफैक्ट हैवी कॉन्वर्सेशन, हमने कुछ कंट्रोवर्सी, कुछ इधर उधर का नहीं, स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड पूरा 2.5 घंटे स्टूडेंट लाइफ एंड अबाउट ऑल द हेवी टॉपिक्स दैट वी हैव टच. Why should someone tolerate this podcast for the next 2 hours?
Someone should tolerate the podcast for next 2 hours just to know that how we can balance our life, how we can come out of the problems
Yeah.
which we are in, how to convince and communicate, and what will be our next 5 years plan if we are planning.
Yeah.
Okay. So how to make that, how to articulate that, and how to make it much more easier for us to live and live our future with a better prospects.
Yeah.
So that is why they should tolerate if they
Yeah.
are.
Yeah, makes sense. So thank you for being on this podcast, and like this was काफी eye opening for me because I have seen like one side of yours, one phase of yours, and this phase एक दो बार देखा है, वो भी ऑफिस में देखा है. So this was
Thank
like
you.
this was
It was great. It
Yeah.
was great from your end to invite me, and I will be always open to you whenever you say, however you say. I am always available for you, Maurice. You are one of my favorites.
Yeah, ये
Always be
काफी
so.
काफी काफी like easily ये podcast हो गया. Like कल शाम को I told you कि सर ऐसा करना है, and today afternoon we are recording this. So
It
nice.
is always. I am always there for you, dear.
Yeah, thank you so हाँ ठीक है, चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं फॉर्मली थोड़ा सा. मतलब
Surely.
हाँ, छोटा सा एक फॉर्मल इंट्रो दे दो. मतलब who you are, like why are you on this podcast in the first place, what are we going to talk about?
Okay, fine. Uh, Hello, friends. I'm Mehul Mehta. I am Director Academics at Soham Classes Private Limited. Earlier, I had worked with as a team leader at KC Mehta and Company, where I had just given my final exams. Okay. And since then, after I suppose 6 months, I joined Soham Classes Private Limited, and since then I'm over here. From now, what I am and what we will be talking about is a student's life. We will be talking about the time management. We will be talking about balancing of task and life both. Okay, so I suppose that would be the today's agenda, what we will be going through.
Yeah. So this to like for the students of SCPL, they know you, they are aware about you, but like very few people, and even I don't know this in detail. Like, what's your journey been from childhood, like from the very start?
From the childhood, let's say from the very place where I lived, it was in city.
Okay.
We were a lower middle class group of people. My father was working in a factory. Apparently, right now he is the owner of the same. ठीक है. वहाँ से जो जर्नी कैरी आउट हुई थी, दैट इज फ्रॉम अ लोअर मिडिल क्लास टू राइट नाउ वी कैन से वी आर इन मिडिल क्लास और अपर मिडिल क्लास ऑफ ग्रुप. ठीक है. सो जर्नी वाज के there was a time in my life where I used to wear only two pair of jeans and I suppose three t-shirts in my life. So that was the financial background which we were actually earlier. But now, with the God's grace, it is not so that we cannot buy a thing or we don't want to buy a thing, or it is not that if we go in a mall and we come back empty-handed. Okay, so that was my childhood. I studied in BHS Bagikhana. Okay, a lot of people, as to say, they call it as a stable. ठीक है, जहाँ पे सयाजीराव गायकवाड़ के एक्चुअली घोड़े रहते थे, उसको उन्होंने स्कूल में कन्वर्ट किया है. तो दैट वाज BHS बगीखाना. वहाँ पे हमारी स्कूलिंग हुई थी. टिल 10th स्टैंडर्ड आई वाज देयर. नेवर बीइंग अ टॉपर, दैट इज one of my regrets in my life, that I have never been a topper in my life. Yes, in 10th standard I scored around 82 83, but it was not topper. Okay. After that I chose commerce. I have 7 friends in my life who are still my friends, and I suppose they should have, and they will be in the near future. From the childhood, we seven are together, and all the seven chose science, and I chose commerce, which was, according to me, a very smart decision
Hmm.
as the things were going around. Okay, so that be the case, I chose commerce. In 11th standard, I went to BHS Alkapuri, Baroda High School Alkapuri, which is nearby in RC Dutt Road. Uh, Over there, I was again a mediocre student, again very well versed with things, but again a very introvert. ठीक है, 11th 12th अगर मैं मेरा देखूं तो बहुत इंट्रोवर्ट था. अगर आप किसी को भी पूछेंगे मेरे बैचमेट से, तो बहुत कम लोग मुझे जानते होंगे, बहुत कम लोग मुझे पहचानते होंगे. तो मैं सिर्फ क्या करता था, स्कूल जाता था, स्कूल से वापस आता था. दैट्स माई जर्नी. आफ्टर दैट ट्यूशन जाने का, ट्यूशन से वापस घर आने का, ना ज्यादा किसी से बातें, ना किसी से कुछ. फॉर दैट माई वन ऑफ द अपब्रिंगिंग वॉज द रीजन ऑफ इट, कि मेरा अपब्रिंगिंग बहुत सिक्योर्ड एनवायरनमेंट में हुआ है. दैट इज के आई वॉज नॉट अलाउड फॉर अ नाइट आउट. स्टिल डेट आई एम नॉट अलाउड फॉर नाइट आउट्स. ठीक है, अगर मुझे बोला जाए कि मैं बोलूँ कि मेरे फ्रेंड्स के घर पे मैं जा रहा हूँ रात को, तो आज भी मेरी मॉम मुझे मना कर देगी. तो उस टाइम तो अलग ही होंगे. एंड that was very 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 great decision of my mother. The reason being, in those times and right now also, there are few addictions what you get being a teenager. That when you are in 11th and 12th, I suppose you are 16 and 17, correct? So it's just a very tender age where you are influenced by bad things more rather than the good.
Okay.
That is the hardcore reality, and every teenager who will reach at the age of 25 or 30 will acknowledge कि हाँ, हमने कोई ना कोई गलती 16 से 19 साल या 20 साल के बीच में की है जो हमें नहीं करनी चाहिए थी. So that was a very tender age, and right now I see some of my friends are addicted. Some of my friends are addicted. See, I am not saying that things are good or things are bad. ठीक है, फॉर इंस्टेंस देयर इज नथिंग गुड, देयर इज नथिंग बैड. दैट्स माय आइडियोलॉजी. अगर आपको पसंद है, आप कर रहे हो, तो आपके लिए अच्छा है. मुझे ना पसंद है, मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ, बात खत्म हो जाती है. ठीक है. सो दे आर एडिक्टेड टू समथिंग कॉल्ड एज अल्कोहल और समथिंग कॉल्ड एज सिगरेट्स. Yeah, both of them, we know that limited consumptions are good. Apart from that, it's bad.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm not debating on whether it's good or bad. It's just that I was blessed that I was saved from it. Correct. So otherwise, if it would not be, then might be I would have been under the influence of the same. Okay, so one thing I grace about that, ki I'm saved from that being a teenager. In 12th standard, in 11th standard, I scored 62%, which was very less. So as all parents are worried, okay, in 10th you scored 83, everyone told you to take science. All the societal pressure, relative pressure, everyone was pressurizing to take science because I scored, I suppose, 99 in maths and 96 in science. So there was pressure. So that be the case, they told me, okay, take science, and I took commerce. After all the fights and pressure and everything, I took commerce, and in commerce in 11th standard I scored 62%, which was very heartbreaking. Okay, from 83 to 62, it's a gap of around 21%. Okay. But then in 12th standard, a lot of people laughed at me because in 12th standard only I chose CPT. That was first entrance of CA. And I was attending classes. के 12th में ही हमारे classes, सोहम classes में ऐसा था तब कि because CPT is a duration of around 3 months. We get only 3 months. That is April, May and June के starting में तो exam होती है. ठीक है. So we get only 2.5 months for preparation. So what we used to do is 11th का vacation हम लोग पढ़ाई कर लेते थे CPT की. दिवाली वेकेशन भी हम पढ़ाई कर लेते थे. So a lot of people laughed at me कि 11th में 62 है, फिर भी CA लेने चला है. That was fine. Again, ठीक है. But in 12th standard, as the game progressed, I scored again 83 or something, which I scored, and which was very happy kind of thing because I was satisfied with whatever result I have got. After that, the journey continued about the studies, and I suppose I cleared CPT. Then I cleared IPCC, and then the journey went to KC Mehta and Company. From I suppose the year 19, I was 19 when I started my internship. That is the articleship of CA, and then everything changed from introvert to the Mehul Mehta. What you see right now is completely different, because from 19 years, if you ask me कि सर आपको अहमदाबाद जाना है, बस स्टैंड पे जाओ, टिकट लो और अहमदाबाद जाओ अकेले, तो मैं ना जा पाऊँ. As a 19-year-old kid, I was not able to do that. The reason being, I was very secure, in a secured environment. मतलब मैं ट्रेन में गया हूँ तो भी मेरे पेरेंट्स के साथ गया हूँ, मूवीज के लिए गया हूँ तो भी मेरे पेरेंट्स के साथ गया हूँ. ठीक है, तो बाहर तो गाड़ी लेके जाना या फिर अकेले बस में भेजना तो हुआ ही नहीं है. तो फर्स्ट टाइम इन माय लाइफ इन केसी मेहता एंड कंपनी, I went to buy a ticket on bus depot which I was having no idea of कि कहाँ से लेनी है, क्या करना है, कौन सी बस में बैठना है, क्या नंबर आएगा, कुछ पता नहीं था. पूछते पूछते वहां पे गए और अहमदाबाद जाके वापस आए. दैट वाज द होल जर्नी ऑफ दैट. दैट इज अ ट्रांजिशन ऑफ, यू कैन से, of my life from an introvert person to starting of a extrovertness. See, whenever you meet me or people meet me, I cannot gel up with them very nicely, because सामने से अगर कोई बात करता है बात अलग है, मैं सामने से it's very difficult for me to say hi to a person कि हाँ, hi, how are you. It's very difficult for me. So that part of introvertness is still there. So the job what I'm doing right now, in this job, introvertness is a negative aspect of my life. That is, I cannot have a introvertness with me and I am a good teacher. So that cannot happen, because being a teacher, you need to be surrounded with students. You need to be surrounded with people. You need to be surrounded with parents. And you need to convince them. You need to ask them. You need to go to them and tell good thing about your classes, which is true, which is might not be true. So that you need to do, but in which the introvertness is a negative aspect of my life, which I concede very nicely. And आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग दैट इज द चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी की एग्जाम दी, और उसी दिन मुझे जॉब इंटरव्यू के लिए बुला लिया गया था केसी मेहता एंड कंपनी में से. द रिजल्ट वाज स्टिल अवेटेड एंड आई वाज कॉल्ड फॉर द जॉब ऑन द वेरी सेम डे. एनी स्टूडेंट हु हैज गिवन अ सीए फाइनल एग्जाम, यू कैन आस्क हिम. मेरे ख्याल से 16 दिन की एग्जाम्स होती है. ठीक है, फर्स्ट से स्टार्ट होती है, 16 को खत्म होती है, 8 पेपर होते हैं. और उससे पहले जो 3-4 महीने या 6 महीने जो हम सीए स्टूडेंट पढ़ाई करता है वो, तो उसमें it has a rule. Every student has to be CA student has to follow that they are quarantined. ठीक है, the word quarantine we found out I suppose in March. Correct, when COVID-19 hit us. But for a CA student, quarantine is not a new term. We are quarantined for 6 months or 4 months or 3 months when we are studying for our CA final or intermediate exams. We have no touch with any of our relatives or friends or social life. तो हम पढ़ रहे थे, और उसमें से अब आप सोचो कि आपको 12th की एग्जाम देनी होती है, और उसके बाद आप सोचते हो हम यहाँ वेकेशन पे जाएंगे, मनाली ट्रैक पे जाएंगे, बिकॉज इट्स समर वेकेशन व्हेन यू गिव योर मार्च एग्जाम्स. And a CA student giving having 6 months of preparation, 16 days of rigorous study for that exam, and the very next day he is ordered to go to Silvassa for an audit. जिस दिन मेरी एग्जाम खत्म हुई, उसके अगले ही दिन 7:30 बजे मुझे ट्रेन पकड़नी थी. So that was there, and with the very next day I had started my work. Okay, so that was there. After 6 months I joined SCPL, and since then I'm working with SCPL for SCPL, and now I'm part of it. So very happy to be over here because it's my passion. Auditing was my life at one point of time. जब मैंने सोचा था कि यार traveling would be my life. The reason being, जब आप ऑडिट करते हो ना, तब आप मतलब आप कंपनी की तरफ से दूसरी जगह पे जाते हो और वहां पे काम करते हो. सो काम करने के साथ साथ आप घूम लेते हो वहां पे, नेचुरल. ठीक है, सो आई यूज्ड टू गो ओवर देयर एंड आई यूज्ड टू एंजॉय दैट. आई यूज्ड टू एंजॉय माय वर्क, बट at a certain point of time you require settlement in your life.
Okay.
टाइम ऐसा था जब मैं मंडे से फ्राइडे या सैटरडे तक बाहर होता था, सिर्फ संडे के एक दिन मैं मेरे घर पे होता था. एंड आफ्टर दैट अगेन मंडे आई हैड टू गो टू सम आउट स्टेशन. सो दैट वाज माय लाइफ पोस्ट SCPL. ठीक है. सो उसके बाद pre-SCPL rather, sorry. So pre-SCPL my life was such कि I used to travel like anything. बट उसके बाद एक टाइम के बाद सेटलमेंट चाहिए था. और टीचिंग मेरा बहुत पहले से पैशन है. उसका एक रीजन ये भी है, आई हैव अ यंगर ब्रदर. सो उसको कभी भी प्रॉब्लम होती थी, आई यूज्ड टू टीच. सेकंड रीजन आर इन माय DNA और यू कैन से द जीन्स, बिकॉज माय मॉम इज अ टीचर.
ओके.
शी इज अ MA B.Ed. सो शायद वहां से, आई डोंट नो. सो टीचिंग इज माय पैशन. एंड आई व्हेन महेश सर एंड सोम सर कॉल्ड मी के Mehul to Aija, I was pretty much happy that yes, I will be continuing with this and this will be my life throughout. So that was my entire journey.
Yeah.